Hey everybody, today we're grilling some Spanish food. We have some grilled shrimp with toasted garlic and thyme and red chili vinaigrette. But we're going to just rub these a little bit in some fresh garlic, some red chilies, and some fresh thyme, and a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna make that mixture in this bowl here. Fresh thyme, fresh garlic, red chilies, some salt and black pepper, some olive oil. Just mix this up a little bit. And we're gonna take our shrimp and we're gonna brush on I call this an automatic marinade, because basically we're just gonna brush it on and then grill it. We're not gonna let it sit for very long. Red chilies, garlic, and fresh thyme. Let's go to the grill. Whenever I'm cooking shrimp on the grill, I like to put them on skewers so we don't have to chase each individual shrimp around the grill. Shrimp on the grill. All right, now while the shrimp is cooking, I'm just gonna make a little garlic oil, and at the same time, we're gonna make some garlic chips. So we have some olive oil that I'm just gonna heat very slowly. We don't want it to come to a boil or anything like that. We only want it to get to about 275 degrees, because we're actually gonna take some very thinly sliced raw garlic, okay, paper thin. Do you ever see the movie Goodfellas when they're in the prison and they're slicing the garlic with a razor blade? That's what you wanna get here, okay? And we're gonna let the garlic slowly poach, and it's actually gonna get a little crispy. And we'll be able to use the garlic oil and the chips at the same time. All right, let's take a look at our shrimp here. Oh, it looks nice. Give it up for those shrimp, baby. Take a look at this garlic. See how it's starting to sizzle around the edges like that? It's gonna get nice and brown on the outside, and you're gonna have a nice toasted garlic chip to garnish our grilled shrimp with. Lots of shrimp. And then we have our garlic oil that we cooked the garlic chips in. We're just gonna pour a little bit right over our grilled shrimp. And then our garlic chips. Fresh herbs. And don't forget, you want a little nice crusty bread to go, because when all the shrimp are gone, there's gonna be some of that garlic oil on the bottom, and you just wanna sort of hook it up with the bread or a shrimp.